These have the cutest designs on them. So this one has a heart, a flower, and a cloud. So here they are out. So you have that same style, texture, everything's the same as the circle, except you're gonna get a cute little flower. And then I'll show you the other designs as well. So we have the heart. I mean, these are cute. That's actually super cute. Being a little older, you know, the generation that put toothpaste on our face, I kind of wonder about people walking around with pimple patches that show, but actually these are super cute. So I kind of am digging this. I love it. So you have the cute little heart, the cute little cloud, and the cute little flower. Now, probably your blemishes are not going to be in a diagonal line on your face, but it is kind of cute. So if you wanted to cover something up and you needed to wear it all day and you wanted to just rock it, I really think these are the cutest little designs. So I'm for that. That is adorable. And then you would just wear it. Usually you would wear these overnight, 6 to 8 hours. Easy to pull off. They will grab whatever you have going on your skin, and then it ends up in there. I've used these before when I do have blemishes, and I can tell you they work really, really well.
You'll love them.